You're probably thinking to yourself, Thailand, bananas, they couldn't be that much different than my home. See, I'm just getting to the market here to put my mask on. Figured I'd show you around a little bit about if you're hungry in the morning. I'll show you here. They always have like badass specialty trucks. Shout out to CB Media for giving us quality content in Thailand about that. But yeah, if you want to make your car or truck or motorbike special, it definitely is the place to do it. Look what we have here. We have lots of stuff. All bueno. They use these scissors. Scissors are much easier than a knife to cut the grilled bananas. So these are the best to have in the morning. You can have with coffee pretty much any time as a snack. It comes with this, I don't know if she has it in here. She's going to dip this sweet sauce now. She usually puts this sweet sauce with the bananas. You want to put? Yeah. And they're also cutting up during over there. Yeah, you can make it super sweet or you can make it not so sweet. Mei Wan is not so sweet. It's just basically just sugar and coconut milk. So it doesn't have any milk in it, this recipe traditionally. It's super easy to make. It's just time consuming. You'd think, oh, well, these are very ripe bananas, but in fact, you're wrong. They are unripened. So the starch content makes the slow cooking very soft yet sweet on the inside. Look at it, she's packing it in. What else? This device, she flattens the bananas with it. Sort of like a tortilla press. It's a press. It's a banana press. And she would use the same fashion for these gigantic sweet potatoes. Look at these. You can harvest these in the hills. Amazing beta carotene content for you. I think like one bag would be like 20 baht for this. Not very expensive. See the motion now. Bring all of your strength. As you can see here, we're right on the road. So it's very often in Thailand that you have these small shops that are right directly beside the road. They really don't have any walking space. Chop King Kwai ka. Oh, don't คิดก่อน but ฉันชอบแล้วก็ซื้อเนาะ
โอ้ได้อย่างออกทุกงวดเลยแค่น้ำหนึ่งอ่ะคุณลุงอันนี้
ชาลาที่
ก้อนบ้านเฮาเนี่ยปฏิทิน
ที่26เนาะ
จับคู่เอาคนเดียวอันนี้เขาจะจับได้หัวใจที่ตรงนี้อย่างนี้ได้หรอหัวได้ไงคนนี้เขาจะมาหน้าเราไปไม่ได้เพราะเขามีโยกกับจับคู่ได้อันนี้ไม่ทำให้คนจับได้หรอกอันนี้ไม่จับคนเดียวไม่จับคนเดียวได้ลูกว่าไปจับคนเดียวแต่ไม่เอาไปจับคนเดียว
She's telling us about how we should be auspicious about the lottery. These are the secret numbers here. Popular, but ใช่ไหม
ชีบอกว่าให้ยูไปไปทูเกเตอร์เอา
Oh, combinations, special combinations. หวยออกที่16เนาะ
ใช่
Couple days. Yeah. ขอบคุณค่ะ They also sell lots of durian. Durian kai, oh, 160. That's pretty good. 35. That's about $1 for mangosteen per kilo. So sell lottery tickets if you're feeling lucky. There's also a lovely little coffee shop here. Again, they sell, what is it, about 25 baht for coffee. Alright, so I got some very nice hot bananas here. You see, they put them right in the sauce for me. Oh, yeah. Boy. You get a little bit of those charred edges from the barbecue. It's pretty sticky, pretty firm. Sweet, very nice, good carb for you in the morning. Alright, on to our next stop. Cooks it in this rapidly boiling vat of oil. Cooking the, they have sweet potatoes, taro, and bananas. So those are the three that they have. Alright, so yeah, I just stopped off here. You can buy them in 20, 30, or 40 baht increments. You know, you can really see here, yeah. So they sell the bananas, the sweet potatoes, and the taro. And they have like little sesame on them as well. So that's the difference with these ones. That you can also get pretty much anywhere in Thailand. So let's see. Alright, so apparently we see some fresh bananas as well. Again, bananas are great, not only for potassium, but good at improving your mental health, aids with depressive symptoms if you're not feeling so well. Get your, pre-workout from a couple of bananas, toss them in a smoothie, or just eat them as it is. Have it with some yogurt in the morning. Yeah, oh, look at this. They got lots of natural stuff, these ladies. Just like post it up. So just picked up our bananas. Hands of bananas. These are sweet bananas. They have their two different styles, right? Starchy and sweet. The ones we eat in the morning with the barbecue is the starchy kind, the more native to Thailand. But they do grow a lot of these sweet varieties that we like to eat as foreigners. So these ones, how many hands did I get? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's like 10 hands here for 30 baht. So hey, you buy bananas, you make sure you buy them on the side of the road from some lady. All right, on to our next stop. All right, guys, so we're back. I thought it'd be fitting to show you some bananas in my banana tree here. And we have the selection of 3 different types. So let's go for the fried banana here. As you see, it has lots of sesame on the outside, nice and fried. Oh yeah. Sweet. These ones use the more ripened bananas. Little pockets of looks like tempura almost. Yeah, really crunchy, very delicious. Next one I have is the taro. So taro is a tuber root from Asia. Has those purple filaments in it. This one's nice and soft on the inside, nice and cooked soft. We have big chunk of pumpkin. So this is pumpkin in the morning. Oh, nice and soft. Look at that. So it's similar to, oh, wow. Like a tempura pumpkin in the morning. Really nice. And the last selection here of bananas is the grilled bananas. So the grilled bananas, you can find them, usually old ladies selling them. This bag was 20 baht. And you can get the sauce on the side if you're eating it later, you want to reheat it up. So yeah, we got all the stuff. 2 bags of stuff, 20 baht each, which is less than 20 baht's like 75 cents American. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, considering subscribing. My goal is to have with thousands of subscribers, hopefully by the end of the year, okay? My name is Caitlin Grassing again. This is Grasslands Media, coming straight from me to you, to Thailand, alright? You guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next episode.